What's good, YouTube? This your boy D on Quality Custom Designs, back with another video. In today's video, we will be embroidering. As you can probably see, give you a little zoom in. Oscar the Grouch. Alright, so we will be embroidering that. Like I said, this will be the collection of the characters that are green. I already did Kermit the Frog, and now I'm doing Oscar the Grouch. And I do have a couple of suggestions on the blue ones, so I will be posting that so you guys can check that out. But for now, we are going to get started with this. I do have everything together, and I also have, show you it right here, all of my thread colors right here. So these are all of the thread colors that I'll be using. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. And as always, I'm using a felt because the border, of course, most of my borders, well, probably all of the borders will be black. So the felt just helps it blend in, just in case, you know, you don't see any extra colors. Like, for instance, if I would use a white background or something like that, and of course, when cutting it out, you would see white. So I just wanted to use something that blends in with the original color, which would be the black for the background and border. So that's the reason why I do use felt, if anyone was wondering. And this is a grayish color, and this is going to be for the garbage can and the garbage top. Alright, now down in the comment section below, go ahead and put your favorite character from Sesame Street. I said it once before, and I'm going to say it again. What is your favorite character? Put it down in the comment section below. And honestly, I mean, I got to go with Elmo if I didn't say it before. That's just what I grew up on. So Elmo was the favorite character to rock out with. You know, him and Mr. Noodle, they got down, they got busy, but you know, that was just it right there. So go ahead down in the comment section below, put that down there. Also, if you're still here watching, do me a huge favor and hit those notifications, subscribe to the channel, as well as thumbs up the video. It'd be greatly appreciated. Stay tuned, guys. Let's get it. real quick. I'm going to go ahead and cut this jump stitch. Perfect. Also, another thing I want to add is that one thing you always want to do is keep some spare bobbins. Always want to keep some spare bobbins. I know it probably ain't going to focus, but it doesn't matter. As you can see, just keep some spare bobbins. Okay, so this order is kind of tricky because I will be doing black twice. It was the only way I was able to do this because I had to make sure the tongue went on top of the black part, and I didn't want it to go under, of course. So I had to do the black, then another color, and then the last part will be black, which is all the borders and the outlines. Also, I am using a soluble stabilizer just because I don't want the black to blend in with the green. I want it to be straight black. So that's the reason why I am using this, just to give it that top layer and barrier between the green and of course the black. So if you were wondering. Design is coming out good, looking great. Everybody go ahead and put it down in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about this design so far. Me bagging out a little bit. Perfect. Go ahead right now. Put it down in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about it. And give me some feedback. I appreciate all the feedback, good, bad, the ugly. Go ahead and put everything down there in the comment section below. Right now, please. As well, if you are still watching, go ahead and do me a huge favor and hit those notifications, subscribe to the channel, as well as thumbs up the video. It'll be greatly appreciated. Videos are going to be coming back to back to back to back. More videos on the way, so definitely stay tuned to the channel. That's a clean patch right there. I mean, honestly, I know it's going to be difficult to try to cut out, but I think I can manage. Alright, everything is done embroidering. You know the routine. I am going to go ahead and take it out of the hoop and show you guys the final result. Stay tuned. Alright, here go the final result. Let me know what you guys think about it down in the comment section below. I'll give you a close-up on it. Not much lighting, but how does it look? Did it come out great, good? Throw it away, keep them in the trash can. Go ahead, put everything down in the comment section below. And I think I did a good job on this one. Came out amazing, to be honest. The whole total stitch time was 62 minutes. Of course, you're not going to see the whole 62, but once again, this was a well thought out patch. I love it. It came out great. Can't wait to cut it out and be able to adhere to whatever it's going to go on, I guess. So, yeah. So this will be the end of the video. Love you guys. As always, stay blessed and continue to strive for greatness. And I'm out. Peace.